Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss with you all about stress. Stress is very important factor in human life. So we should know what are the factors created to stress. First money, then your health, then family matters, parenting issues, job related issues. This all general factor created to stress. Then what are the effect comes by or created by stress? First of all, your immunity will be low, anxiety, depression, your energy is lower down, BP and heart related issues will be increasing day by day. Then now we should also know the symptomatic. If you are in stress, then symptoms, which kind of symptoms comes out? First of all, sleepless night, then headache issues, migraine issues, anxiety, silly mistakes you are doing in day-to-day life, day-to-day work. This kind of things happens after stress. Then we should know which are two hormones effective or involved to given the birth to stress. First is cortisol. Cortisol dangerous hormone, it's very bad hormone. And second is oxytocin. Oxytocin is feel good hormone. Just because of these two hormones, the stress factor increases or decreases. So if I am discussing this with you, then what are the remedies available to decrease or to stabilize the stress factor in human body? First of all, in market available is antidepressant, second sedatives, third is sleeping pills. But this kind of three things affect majorly or side effect majorly to the human body. First is your organs get damaged, your energy is lower down, then you will get addicted, and these are the suppressant for the time being, but not in a long time. So these are the side effects comes out by the marketing things. Now if I am discussing with this to you, then what is the solution is available with me? Then I am Amar Navgare. I am here to introduce a new product or a new solution to you on stress factor, which is based on STS, that is stress tolerance system. So now I am introducing this to you, that is PHYT, fight stress, that is fight, and fight means plant. If any kind of things comes out from the plant, that is in biology, that is written as fight, PHYT. So what are the ingredients involved in this product? First ashwagandha, second is tulsi, third is pipli, fourth is guduchi. So we'll discuss one by one. Ashwagandha, if ashwagandha treated on human body, then it will decreases 30% cortisol. Then tulsi is increasing the STS factor, that is stress tolerance system factor. Third is guduchi is nothing but a giloy. In general, people say it giloy. Giloy is a very useful product in many diseases. It increases your. Then fourth factor is pipli. Pipli is bioavailability increaser in all other factors. It increases bioavailability of other ingredient which are involved in this product. So another word says it's not a magic. This product is not a magic, but the ingredients involved in this product are very useful. These are the superstar herbs, and in Ayurveda these herbs involved or majorly participated in many diseases curing. So now one technique I have involved or increased to this factor, that is DELA. DELA means D stands for diet and nutrition. E stands for exercise or day-to-day workout. L stands for lifestyles. You stabilize your life or free tension free life you need to live. Then fourth factor is A, that is Ayurveda. You need to have some kind of a solution which is based on the Ayurveda, which have no side effects and get increased your energy or immunity with no side effects. This stands for DELA. And which kind of people use this product? First of all, 18 above years people can use this product. Depression people can also use this product, or in society any depression kind of situation, in that condition you use this product for stress. Now, which kind of people don't use this product? Severely depression people don't get this one. Then bipolar disorder people don't have it. And we given the slogan "Chinta hai magar raho befikar." That is very powerful slogan given by company or our people. So my dear friends, if you use this product, fight stress, you will free from your day-to-day tensions or stress factor, or decreasing your stress factor. If stress factor will be decreases, your productivity will be increased and you will have a proper decision on your workstation and your family. So my request to all of you, that if you are suffering from tension or you are feeling that some kind of situation, stressful situation, then please use this product. If you like this video, then please like, share and comments my channel. This is my channel, so subscribe my channel, and for that you need to go to my channel and press the subscribe button for this. And thank you very much. I hope this video you will like. Thank you.